I'm so excited to bring to you this brand new Italian professional blow dryer. It has 7 times the speed of a normal blow dryer. It's less than a pound. It's got a beautiful, beautiful design, and it has a cleaning system on its own. So a lot of the blow dryers that are out on the market right now that run anywhere between $450 to $500, you have to literally take it apart, clean the little filters out, let it air dry every single day. This one, you're supposed to just take the back part off once a week, take the back part off, click a button, and it blows out the air the opposite direction, so it self-cleans. And then you just put the back on. Look this product up online and look at all the reviews. It is amazing. So it is retailing for about $430 to $450. I'm able to sell it to you right now at $350 if you pre-order with me. My distributor will send it to you, and I'm including free shipping as well. So we're gonna take it apart, take it out of the box, and I'm gonna show you some of the cool things that it can do. I'm going to show you just a couple little cool things about this awesome Gama Pro blow dryer. I want to show you how it cleans itself, just how easy it is. So you take off the back, like so. I'm going to set it right here. You're going to turn it on just for a second, like so. Now the button right here, that's the fan setting, you're going to click it for 5 seconds, and then it's going to blow out the other end. Crazy. It's cleaning itself all by itself. Cool. We're going to put it back together. And now I'm going to show you just a couple of the cool attachments that come with it as well. That's my dog Maggie, if you can hear that. All right. Here's the smaller attachment, and all you do is literally clip it in there. You can move it around, whatever, but it stays on. It's not going to fall off. That's what I like about it too. And this one's my favorite attachment because it's the large one. You can cover a lot of territory in it, turn it around, however you need it, but it really stays on very well. And those of you with the curly hair, do you like to use diffusers? This diffuser is amazing. So what happens is, I'm sure most of you have used diffusers before, but those of you with curly hair that have never used a diffuser before, you basically hold the hair inside of the diffuser. And what happens is it keeps the hair from blowing everywhere. It contains the curl, and it helps the curl to stay natural without being frizzy. And so you can basically just turn it down on the low end and high heat if you want. And speaking of, there are all these different heating settings on the side as well as the fans. This is where the cold shot is, right here. So anyway, I'm in love with this blow dryer, and you will be too. Look for the link.
Cup care.